Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. There is a turning point in Canada's commitment to migrants as the IRCC recently published its ambitious immigration strategy for the years 2024 to 2026. We'll discuss the new immigration plan for Canada in 2024, the 5-year PGWP, the restoration of temporary residence to permanent residence, and other significant improvements in this video. Canada unveiled its new immigration plan, which includes a 5-year PGWP and the reintroduction of temporary residence to PR. Canada's Minister of Immigration, Marc Miller, recently made an intriguing announcement about Canada's new immigration laws. We'll examine 3 significant changes that will impact migrants in 2024. 1. Standardized visa processing time. The first major change to Canada's immigration regulations is the establishment of a uniform processing period for visas. In the past, when candidates submitted to Canada for any type of application, work permit, study permit, tourist visa, or otherwise, they were usually given an estimated processing time. The time frame for processing your application was a rough estimate of when you may expect a response. With the new approach, Canada now expects to shorten and speed up these processing times. Furthermore, the Government of Canada wants to make this even more predictable and effective. This is a change that everyone applying for a Canadian visa should be aware of, since it ensures that your applications will be processed quickly. For instance, in contrast to previous processing times when obtaining a work permit often took 2 or 3 months, work permits are now provided after just 1 month of application. 2. Immigration plan for the next 3 years. Another significant statement relates to Canada's immigration plan for the next few years. The plan lays out the country's immigration objectives, with the aim of bringing in a sizable number of newcomers over the next 3 years, given that Canada anticipates attracting over 485,000 immigrants in 2024. Canada intends to accept 500,000 immigrants in 2025 and 2026, with even larger aspirations. Canada is thinking of bringing back the temporary resident to permanent residence immigration track in order to achieve these goals. A very effective program called TR to PR enables temporary residents to become permanent residents. This suggests that this initiative, which is a component of the country's immigration policy, may get increased attention over the course of the following 3 years. 3. Extended Postgraduate Work Permit, PGWP. The much-awaited and well-received extension of the postgraduate work permit to a maximum of 5 years is an important step. As of right now, the duration of your PGWP is directly related with the length of your study program. If you completed a 1-year course, for instance, you would receive a 1-year work visa. Similarly, if you completed a 2-year program, your work visa would be good for 3 years. Many Canadians are supporting a petition that is now making the rounds in support of prolonging the PGWP's existence. Students who complete the shorter, 1-year program will be given a 2-year PGWP, which will be subsequently extended for the duration of their study program. In response to the petition, Minister Marc Miller stated that the government is considering the concept carefully. This consideration will likely result in the creation of a pool of suitable occupations, and if your studies are in an area connected to these vocations, you may be eligible for a PGWP of up to 5 years. This change aims to meet the needs of Canada's labour market and alleviate shortages in specific industries. Recent changes to Canada's immigration regulations aim to extend work permits to international students and streamline the application process. Additionally, it will open the door for the country to welcome even more immigrants, and as a potential student or immigrant, you must stay informed about these changes in order to plan your trip to Canada. Prospects for those looking to move to Canada appear more favorable than ever, and Canada is demonstrating its dedication to diversity and inclusiveness. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.